Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and I have another world's first for you today. Starting off with this beautiful pearl white Model 3, where it's all about the interior, and Tesla does an amazing job with their white vegan interior and the white dash decor. But what about the steering wheel? Come on inside, let me show you how we addressed that and took it to a whole new level. I'm sure we can all agree Tesla does a great job with their white vegan interior, and I also love the white dash decor. It looks really cool together. But there's still a lot of black elements on the interior, and the steering wheel, to me, the most important part for the driver, what we hold all the time, the selfish accessory, is a little bland. So what we've done here is a world's first. I'm sharing with you how we've taken the upper curved area of the steering wheel and refinished it to match exactly the matte satin finish of the dash decor in white. I think you will agree it looks really good. Thank you, Tesla fans, for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way.